Okay, so today I'm just going to be playing some more PC Building Simulator, but this time we're going to end up, we're going to do a much better build instead. I have not picked out any parts, so bear with me. Alright, so here's wow, that PC is loud. Here's the PC that we did last time. I didn't box it up. I didn't even complete the case. This was meant to be the worst PC that I could possibly build. It's got a 1050 T, or no, not 1050. I don't even know. Hold on. Let me just see what it has. GeForce GT 1030 SC. I don't even know what that is. I've never heard of it. We're gonna set that one over there. And we're gonna go over here. First thing we need, a case. So we gotta find a good case. Nice big one. I want a nice white case. I might go with one that I saw up at the top. There was a nice, really open case that I saw. I'm thinking about this one right here. But if I can find a better one, that would be nice. I think... Oh. Um... I think we're gonna end up going with that one. I've already done a build on that one. That one's a pain. Alright, and we're gonna go with that one. Right here. Perfect. Alright, first thing, remove the front. I don't know what that is, but okay. Also remove the back. Why is there glass on the back? You don't want them to see all your crappy cable managing. Alright, I gotta remove this. We're gonna put a better one in. Yeah, we gotta put some better RGB ones in there. Perfect. Alright. Alright, first thing we do, motherboard. These are actually some of the best motherboards ever. But we're not going for that. We're going for even better. Where is it? I know we have one. I believe it's for a Ryzen Threadripper. I want to say this is it. Yeah. We need to install a lot of standoffs. $450 for that motherboard. Pretty expensive. Get this thing screwed in. 8 spots for RAM. Spot for... Is that 3 graphics cards? I think it's 3. Alright, perfect. Open this. Open the CPU shield. Alright. CPU. I think we need a Ryzen Threadripper. No. Can it not take Ryzen? I think it might be Intel. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's Intel. We're gonna go with... Yeah, we're gonna go with this one. Perfect. Alright. Next thing I wanna put some RAM in. So we're gonna try to find some 32. Do we have 32 gigabytes? Or is it? I might take the Dominator. Yeah. Trident Z Royal. Do they have it? Oh, they have gold. Do they have what? Yes. Oh wow, they have some good stuff. Hmm. I actually have this one. That one's in my computer. Alright, well, I think we're gonna go with the Corsair Dominator. Or no, the Vengeance. Wrong thing. Yeah, we're gonna go with the Vengeance. Oh, it's only 8? Thought it was 16 per stick. Do they not have 16? Wow. Okay, we may go with something different. 32. Eh. Alright, yeah, we're gonna find something different then. You have the Dominator 16. I think we're gonna end up going with that if we can't find something better. 8, 16. Wonder if they have... Oh wow, they've got 32, I think. Yeah. Trident Z... What was the name? Silver. Alright. We're gonna... Yeah, we're gonna go 32. Let me open up all these. I know they're color coded, so you're supposed to do 2 per side, but yes. But I'm just gonna go for it. Right, that does look kind of dumb from this side. It does look good from the side, though. Not where the IO shield is. Alrighty. Next thing, I think I want to do the cooler, so we're gonna put some thermal paste. Alright. CPU cooling. I would like a big one. But I want a nice AIO. Okay, well. Alright. I gotta find I forget what it's called. It's one of my favorite AIO. It's one of my favorite AIOs. It is a. It's a Cooler Master Corsair. It's not Corsair. It's got a screen on it and everything. No. Jesus. Where is this thing? Huh. Oh, and the Kraken. Kraken 72? Do they have it? Yes. Ooh, they have a Kraken 73. They have the Z73. Okay, this is a. No. Yep. Okay, we have to take some stuff out. Alright, we're gonna. Alright, just a little bit up. Z73, perfect. That is. I would like to do the Z73, but it's all black, and I think we're going for a little bit more. Bright. I'm gonna go with the RGB. To be honest, I think an AIO is better than water cooling. Well, better than piping water cooling. And it's much easier. Right. Can I install a drive? Okay, no, I cannot. Alright, open. I need a M.2. I need two M.2s. No, that one doesn't open. Alright, I need one M.2. Storage. 961 terabyte. I think. You know what? We're just gonna go with the 960. Alright. Alright. I gotta. Wait a minute. I could do it on the side. Sweet. Let's go. I want to do that. Possibly. Maybe. I want to do two graphics cards, though, and I want to do a 3090. So. Next thing. Graphics card. 3090, the RG Strix. I always like that one. Then you got the nice GeForce RTX. MSI. You know what? I think we're gonna go with this one. Could install it on the side, but that would not fit with one of the other ones. Alright, so actually I wonder if what if I install it? Alright, that would take the bottom slot. So Would I have enough room to install another one? We're gonna try that. Oh, wrong card. I think we... no, we're not gonna have enough room, but I'm still gonna try. Oh, I can't bridge it. Why is the bridge for this so ugly? Doesn't fit. No. I wish I could take it apart and make it water cooling, but I can't. Alright, well... shoot, this graphics card is too big to even do a thingy. That sucks. I wonder if I can remove this. Alright, well... I guess... water cooled GPUs. They have 3090s that are water cooled. Well, we're not doing water cooling. I was just looking. How big is this one? Alright, this one is smaller. No. Still too big. Alright, this one will fit. Wait, no? Well, oh, wait. Alright, y'all will see about what I'm talking about. Look, why is that bridge so ugly? Alright, we're gonna need a really big power supply. We're looking for 160. Holy crap. That one's platinum. That one's platinum, I can see it. Modular. These better all be modular. Alright, they are. I think I'm gonna go with the Corsair. Depending on how many. That may not be enough. Which seems crazy, but it's not. Alright, oh shoot, we need to add another fan. Case fans. Do we have a Urtic RGB? Perfect. Why is that black? I said it was white. I'm going for a very... transparent. Okay. Okay, I like it. It's cool. Even though it's small, still looks cool. Alright, cables. Favorite part. Said nobody ever. Um, cables. Okay, so say we do gray and white. Can I do that? Yes, I can. Yeah, I need at least 3 more slots. Alright, well, I have enough. Perfect. That is the worst place to put that. Why don't you put it through the back? This is so annoying. Oh, okay, that's cool. I got a power on button this time. I've actually never had that. Let's get this thing plugged in. I think that's it. I thought we had, oh yeah, I already plugged it in. Right, boot test. Actually, I need to plug in one more thing. OS. Where's the power on button? Where is it? Right, that is a little loud. Perfect. That was a nice startup too. I'm dumb. Whatever. Let's finish putting this thing back together. Actually, no, I'm dumb. I'm stupid. Okay, I forgot. We kind of need some storage, so let's see if we can find a 4 terabyte Barracuda. Perfect. Do I even have anywhere for it? Because I took out the drive bay. No, I don't. Okay, we're going SSD then. To be honest, I kind of screwed up on this one. Oh, you know what? We can install multiple. Sweet. Alright, perfect. Cable. I don't think we're gonna be able to install all of these. Oh, shoot. Alright, I think I did it. Yeah? Alright, I got it. Alright. Case parts. PCI lock. That is a lot of display ports. Okay. Shoot. Front panel, we'll do that last. PCI. Okay, nope, don't need that. I mean, dust filter. Here's one. Perfect. Alright, front cover. Or no, yeah. Why does the back cover look better than the front? Or is that just me? Nope, never mind. It's the same exact thing. It just looks different in the picture. Oh, I need to install a... Oh, I guess I don't. I thought I needed to install a bracket for the PSU. I think that's it. Wait, what was up here? Oh, I could have put that AIO there too. Alright. Sweet. Looks cool. Alright. So, I think that is going to do it for today's video. I know today's video is kind of long, but, I will end up seeing you guys in the next one. Have a nice day.